Today I'm sharing this milk coffee bean bag tutorial with you. 3.5 crochet. I am using cloud candy gradient, cake yarn, and a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2 as a starting chain. This does not count as a stitch. Now let's double crochet DC, yarn over, insert hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops twice. Let me show you again. Round 1 has a total of 12. Double crochets, please. Finish the rest on your own. After finishing round 1, tighten the ring, remove the marker, and slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Next, round 2, chain 2, work 1, double crochet in the same stitch. You can place the yarn tail over the hook to weave it in as you go. Work another double crochet in that same stitch. So that's 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. An increase. The pattern for round 2 is to work 2 double crochets in every stitch around. Start round 3, chain 2, work 1, double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work a double crochet increases to DC in 1 stitch. That completes 1 set. The pattern for round 3 is 1 double crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat this around. Total 36. Start round 4, chain 2, work 1, DC in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work an increase. Then work 1 DC in the next stitch. The pattern for this round is 1 DC, 1 increase, 1 DC. This helps stagger the increases. Total 48ths. Start round 5, work 1, DC in each of the next 3rd stitches. Then work an increase in the next stitch. The pattern for round 5 is 3 DC, then 1 increase, total 60ths. Start round 6 to work 1, DC in each of the next 2nd stitches. Work an increase in the next stitch. Then work 1 DC in each of the next 2 stitches. The pattern for this round is to DCing to DC, total 72s. Round 7 will work 5 DC, then work an increase in the next stitch. The pattern is 5 DC 1 increase, total 80 firsts. Round 8 is simple. Just work 1 DC in every stitch around, with no increases. There are 84 stitches in total for this round. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet, SC in the same stitch. Work 3 skein total, then work ask increase in the next stitch, then work 3 SC in the following stitches. The pattern is 3 SC 1 ink 3 SC, total 96. Chain 2, work 1 DC in the next 7 stitches. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and repeat the pattern, starting from the next stitch. The pattern is 7 DC CH1 skip 1. Start round 2 of the body. Work 1 DC in the same stitch, and 1 DC in the next stitch to DC total. After the 2 DC, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, make a popcorn stitch. Working 5 DC, pull up the loop. Insert hook into the first DC, and pull the loop through. That completes the popcorn stitch. Now, chain 2. Skip 1 stitch and work 1 DC in each of the next second stitches. Chain 1 between each group. Summary of the group. To DCCH 1 sk 1 popcorn, CH to sk 1 to DCCH 1. Start round 3. Work DC in the DC stitches. Work 1 DC in the chain spacing from the previous round. Works 1 DC into the top of the popcorn. Stitch. Work 1 DC in the next chain space. Work 1 DC in the next 2 stitches. That completes the group. Total of 7 DC per group. Chain 1 after each group. Start round 4. Work 1 DC, then chain 1. Skip 1 stitch, work 1 DC in the next. The pattern is 1 DC CH 1 skip 1 stitch. Repeat around. These 4 rounds make up one pattern set. Repeat. Rounds 1 to 4 until you reach your desired height. These 4 rounds make up one pattern set. Repeat. Rounds 1 to 4 until you reach your desired height. I have crocheted 4 sets of the patterns. Now let's finish the edge. For this round, just working DC all around, working 1 DC in every stitch and every chain spacing. Next, rows of single crochet SC and work every stitch. You can add a few more rounds of depending on your preference.